This exercise is to create a doll on theme World Peace. We have been given the materials straw, tissue paper, clay, rubber bands and thread. To create the doll, we need to start with the body, and the body would be stuffed with the tissue paper. A fairly head structure would be built, and we'll tie a thick knotting around the head. And to create a dress, we'll take few tissue papers, one on each other, and then we'll squeeze it out so that it looks like a one dress. And we'll start building up the body of the doll. So fairly, our doll structure is ready, with tying at the neck and rubber bands on the body. The white dress and no facial expression represents peace, and multicolored threads belongs to everywhere, or let's say from nowhere. That's how my doll represents world peace. To add more value to the shape of doll, we'll tie hair around the head and a ring structure. Now we'll create a base for the doll. So what I have done is added a stand to the doll by a straw, and with a little of clay I'll create a base to stand. So here is how our peace doll looks like. Though the creation is simple, but choosing the right elements can convey a right message.